5 Ideal Foods to Cleanse the Colon. The colon, also known as the large intestine, is 150 centimeters long and is the final organ in our digestive system. It's very important to cleanse the colon every once in a while. This organ is responsible for absorbing large quantities of water, thus keeping the body hydrated, recirculating fatty acids, absorbing the vitamins that enable neurological development and the formation of red blood cells. However, it's common for some foods to end up altering the health of our colon. This leads it to suffer from constipation, irritation and inflammation, meaning that all its processes are affected. For this reason, it's important to increase your consumption of healthy foods that help to cleanse the colon effectively, thus eliminating these afflictions. If you want to know which foods are perfect for cleansing the colon, you'll find the answer in this article. Don't miss out on it. Apples and the colon. Apples are one of the best options for cleansing the colon. After all, they are very efficient when it comes to eliminating the toxins found there. Also, if you eat apples in the right way, this fruit will help you relieve constipation, diarrhea and inflammation. Ingredients: an apple of any color, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 10 grams, 2 glasses of water, 400 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of linseed, 10 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Preparation. First, put the linseed and chia seeds to soak in water for at least 6 hours. Then, wash the apple and chop it into pieces, removing the seeds. Next, put the soaked seeds and the water in a blender. Add the apple and the honey. Then, blend for 1 minute. Pour the drink into a jug. Leave it to sit for 3 hours in the fridge. Method of consumption. You can drink 1 or 2 glasses of this each day, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, for 1 week. Celery. As well as being full of antioxidant substances and vitamins A, B and C, celery also contains potassium, phosphorus, calcium and fiber. These components make it one of the best cleansing foods for the body. It's able to cleanse and strengthen the colon easily. Ingredients: 2 carrots, 1 stalk of celery, 2 glasses of water, 400 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of linseed, 10 grams. Preparation. First, wash the celery and the carrots to clean any dirt left on them. Then, chop up the celery and carrots into small pieces. Grind the linseeds in a bowl until they become a powder. Put all the ingredients in the blender and process them until you have a uniform mixture. Pour it into a jug and leave it to sit for 40 minutes. Method of consumption. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of this natural juice with your breakfast each morning for 5 days. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that's rich in sugars, fiber and papain. This enzyme not only helps with our natural digestion of foods but also promotes gastrointestinal movement. Resolves constipation and diarrhea problems. Strengthens the colon. Reinforces bacterial flora. Ingredients: 1/2 papaya, 1 yogurt, 125 grams, 2 tablespoons of honey, 25 grams. Preparation. First, separate the papaya from its skin, remove the seeds and chop it into small pieces. Put the pieces of papaya in a bowl and add the yogurt and honey. Method of consumption. Eat this as a dessert once a day for a week. Water. Although it's not considered a food, water is the best ally for the health of your colon and the rest of your body. By drinking water, we regulate our body temperature. Hydrate each part of our body. Liberate toxins. Cleanse blocked waste. For these reasons, water is extremely important for cleansing and intestinal healing processes. If you suffer from intestinal problems, it's of vital importance that you drink between 2 and 3 liters of water a day. Avocado. Avocado also contains enormous quantities of vitamin K, folic acid, vitamin B and omega-3 fatty acids. Similarly, these components not only cleanse, lubricate and nourish the colon, but they can also regulate and protect the intestinal flora, thus facilitating easy digestion. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 20 milliliters. Preparation. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. Separate the avocado pulp from the skin, put it in a bowl and crush it with a fork. Then, add the apple cider vinegar. Stir until the two mix perfectly. Method of consumption. Eat this mix with biscuits at least 3 times a week. By adding these foods to your diet and varying them, you'll be able to control your colon problems with much greater ease.
Yeah.